Hello students, I am Ajay Yadav, lecturer in English from Government Polytechnic Nanded. Today I am here to introduce you about the syllabus or course material of our subject English of Diploma Engineering. Our subject English has a code 22101, and this subject is meant for first semester. As you see a table here on the screen, this subject has 3 theory hours per week. Actually, we have this semester of 16 weeks, and per week we have 3 theory classes. Our class is divided into 3 batches for practical purpose, and for each batch we have 2 hours. We have end semester examination for this particular subject, and paper hours for that examination is 3. That end semester examination is of 70 marks. We also have end semester examination of progressive assessment that we call as practical examination, which is of 25 marks. Again, we have some regular progressive assessment, or you may call it as progressive assessment term work, which is of 25 marks. Then in this semester we have 2 unit tests. Each carries 20 marks, and out of 20 we have to calculate. And one more important thing about this particular subject is that we have a project, that is micro project, for 10 marks, which we have to complete at the end of this particular semester. So in this way we have 70 marks end semester examination, 25 marks end semester practical examination based on progressive assessment, 25 marks term work submission, 20 marks unit test, and 10 marks micro project. So the total count of this particular subject is 150 marks. Let's have a look what the contents of this particular subject are. Our subject is divided into 5 units. We have to complete all these units in 48 hours, and all these units including carries 70 marks. See how these hours are divided and the marks are divided. Let's talk about unit 1. Unit 1 is about application of grammar, which carries 14 marks, and we have to complete it in 12 hours. What is there in application of grammar? We have to deal with articles, prepositions, conjunctions, tenses, active voice and passive voice, direct and indirect speech. These are the contents of grammar which we have to study at the application level. Then come Unit 2. It is about some scene passages. It is of comprehension. We have 9 scene passages which carries 24 marks, and we have to complete this particular content or unit in 20 hours. We have some scene passages. The titles of the scene passages are Shiva's Blessings, Grind, Biography of J.R.D. Tata, A Messiah for the Abandoned Sikh, Electronic West, Be Remarkable, Biography of Arunima Sinha, Save Yourself, and Dare to Mentor. Let's come to Unit 3. It is about paragraph writing and dialogue writing. It carries 12 marks. 6 hours are given to complete this particular unit. In it, we have to formulate paragraphs, descriptive, narrative, technical, compare and contrast. And we have to focus on dialogue writing, basically formal dialogues and informal dialogues. Unit 4 is about vocabulary building, which carries 12 marks, and we have to complete this unit in 6 hours. In Unit 4, we are going to deal with words often confused, collocations, rules of spelling, and idioms and phrases. Then comes Unit 5, that is of speeches. It carries 8 marks and 4 hours are given to complete it. It contains welcome speech, farewell speech, introducing a guest, and vote of thanks. At the same, we have to deal with assignments in our practical laboratory, that is language laboratory. A list of assignment and their purpose is displayed in the language lab. We'll inform you about those practicals as well as the content during our practical hours. So it is all about the content units of our subject English. So friends, we'll have each content in a special way during our classes. Till then, bye.